Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo! For today's video guys, andito kami ngayon sa Ayala Center, Cebu, dito sa my Cebu Business Park, and we're on our way to Montage. I think this is my first time na makapag-visit dyan. I-asa natin si Cristel kung nakapunta na siya dyan guys.
Yeah.
You already been there?
Energy. Yeah, I've been there.
Dito kami ngayon sa my Ayala, sa my Red Planet.
Since hindi natin alam saan talaga. Yan yung mga landmarks natin, Drew. Drew, why are we walking?
It's already 1:14 in the afternoon. I think we found it. Montage building. Ayan na guys. So, saan tayo banda papasok tayo? Doon ba banda? So this is the building.
So we have to go by the stairs. So we're looking for Manimoto.
I think yan na, dyan sa may pinaka first floor.
Oh my gosh! So Drew, is it the first time or what?
This is the first time na makapasok ako sa building na to. Akala ko parang business offices na to dito, pero meron palang mga restaurants. This is the stairs going up to the restaurant. Are you ready, Tel?
Oh yeah, are we on the right track?
Before you're gonna get to the food, you have to take the stairs. Mag-exercise ka muna.
Drew, may elevator pang ano.
Sorry, Tel. Manual labor lang muna.
Look at that.
Good luck, Edlin. Nakapunta na ba kayo dito? Dito talaga specifically? Okay. Ah, doon na pala sa Edlin, no? Hi, Edlin. This is it. This is Manimoto. Ito po yung menu nila. They actually have a couple of options here. Meron sila tatlong options. Yung unlimited one, $499. Unlimited 2, $599. And unlimited 3, $649. They're open from 11:30 to 10 p.m. And dito po yung dining area nila sa labas. We're gonna catch up muna with Edlin. I'll be right back. I'll give you an update later kung ano yung mga in-order namin at kung anong option yung in-avail namin dito sa Manimoto.
Many minutes later.
Nandito na po kami sa loob ng Manimoto. This is what we ordered. Ito po ay Pick All You Can by Cristel and Edlin. Alam na nila yung protocol dito. Just get, and eat.
2 hours lang doon.
Yeah, 2 hours na yung nakalagay doon, no?
2 hours stay.
Time limit 2 hours. Leftover, may bayad na 100 pesos. Nag-change pa sila ng pan guys because the pan that we were using earlier was already burned out.
So naman first batch.
Nagmamadali tayo dito ha. Edlin, kamusta yung pagkain nila? Masarap.
Okay lang ang pagkasin. Masarap ang meat. Side dishes.
At may dessert pa. And yung portioning mo, hindi siya limited.
May drinks, 3 options. Iced tea, pineapple, and orange.
May additional pala to. Dito kasali sa, ano yung avail natin na unlimited? Dito na lahat.
Chicken, pork, and beef.
Malapit na pala kami sa may CR nila. Pero fully ventilated yung area nila dito, no? Nag-order na naman si Eddie na additional na meat. Guys, comment down below kung correct ba yung ginagawa namin. Dito ba nilalagay yung mga meat kapag luto na? Is this right? Ito na po yung mga pagkain. na kinuha namin doon sa my food corner. Do you want to see the food that they have here? So tara, let's go. Ito pala yung dining area nila. And this is the food corner where you're going to get all your foods. So we have fried chicken, 3 flavors, meat, don't know what it's called. Ayan, may meat din dito. These are the food. The spices, the salad, the kimchi, yung rice. Nag-rito sila ngayon. Meron silang soup dito. And I think this is seaweed soup. I'm not sure. Utensils. And yung mga juices. Ito may additional drinks na meron sila dito. They actually have beer, water, Coke, at soju. This is a whole restaurant. Let's eat. Oh my god. Muna kami, I'm super hungry. Looking at the food, parang masarap to. Let's eat! Dari ko pelas yan? Ha? Yung black. Yan ang organo. Just finished eating at Manny Mogu. I'm going to rate this place for 5 stars guys kasi masarap yung pagkain nila. Nabusog talaga kami. Super overloaded kami sa mga pagkain at fresh yung mga sinaserve nila mga food doon. And also the meat is amazing. So better visit their place. Dito lang sila sa may Montage area. So again, 5 star. Let's ask them guys kung ano yung mga rate nila dito sa Manny Mogu. Ano yung rate mo sa Manny Mogu?
Manny Mogu, Drew.
Ay, Manny Mogu. Manny Mogu. Oh
balik ka sa taas, Drew. Tayo pa din maging model nila, Drew. Ilang beses ka nagmali.
No misleading.
Manny Mogu, Manny Mogu, Manny Mogu.
1 to 5, 5 is the highest though. Ilang stars?
4.
4 stars. Bakit 4?
Uy, high na yun ha. High na yun.
Yeah.
Yung 1 is parang ano na lang, improvement. Charot. Sa I like their style. Yung parang catering ba? Okay.
Papasok na.
Sa taxi tayo.
We're actually on our way to Mabolo.
Ito sa may Asino. Take over muna tayo because ayan si Ando sa harap. Hero ka mo sa dyan.
Yeah, okay lang. Busog pa rin.
May pa-review. We'll ask Mayora Edlin kung ano ang rate niya sa Manny Mogu. 10 pa din. Oh, diba? Hanggang 5 lang tayo, no? 10 ba? 5 ba? Meaning to say, ano ka talaga? Very satisfied. Pag may loyalty card na puno na, hanggang 5 lang. Wala nang ano, extra comment. 5 na 5 ka talaga. Ako naman, Tel, anong rate mo, Tel? Rate ko guys is yun na nga, 4.5. Nasabi ko na, Drew. Isali mo ba yun, Drew? So, sabihin ko ulit. Komportable kayong magbalik-balik dun sa mga choices ng ano nila, ng menu nila. Kasi, catering style. Tapos, ang dami nilang side dishes. Parang, yung hindi ko nakain is yung kimchi. Masarap siya na medyo too little spiciness. So hindi tayo game for today sa spicy. Pero very recommendable guys to eat sa Manny Mogu kasi very sulit. Imagine nyo, meron sila tag 499 ba ang last name? Ang minimum 499 ha. Then may meats na yon yung main dish nila. Tapos only yun, pabalik-balik kayo dun sa menu nila. Pwede kayong kumuha ng side dishes and drinks. Tapos yung second na price is 599 which is yung pinili namin kasi yung additional or difference is yung beef na meat. So at least diba, sulit na yon. And then yung pinaka mahal nila is 699. Pero hindi ko alam anong difference. Di ba anong difference ng 699 and 599?
I'm not really sure. Possibly
diba?
the meat.
Ayan, kasi kain lang kasi Drew. Wala nang ano.
Wala din tayo doon. Hindi ko alam. Baka sa meat choices yun.
Hindi na kami guys study.
599 beef.
Okay.
Yung
Pork and beef.
Yung
499 for ano lang, beef.
Pork lang.
Pork lang.
Pork lang.
Yung 699 with seafood, shrimp.
Okay. So now we know guys. Yung difference ng 599 and yung 699.
Hindi niyo para silang pagudon.
Yung 699 is yung additional, yung seafood pala. For sure, mag-expect na kayo dyan ng shrimp, ng squid, ganon. Very sulit siya. Pwede natin siyang balik-balikan kasi one of the mura siya. So, saan tayo papunta ngayon? Pakay ko kay Edlin. Charot. Samahan natin mag-pamper day si Edlin guys. Hindi natin alam kung anong pamper niya sa self niya ngayon. I heard is yung pedicure ba? Pedicure. And then, possible si Ando din. Charot. Hindi. Chaperon lang pala kami guys. Kami ang magpapaypay kay Edlin kung mainit. Samahan natin siya. Bilang dito naman tayo sa city, no? Wala tayong ibang plan. Hindi mo talaga to planado. So, just go with us. Yun lang.
Narinig niya na yung mga rate nila dun sa Mani Mogu. So, we're actually on our way to Babola area. Dito kami ngayon sa may Ayala. See you there. See you in a couple minutes. We're actually malapit na. So, see you in a bit. Nandito po kami ngayon sa may Purtasan ni Adan. Is that correct?
May bala.
Purtasan ni Adan?
Yes.
Bakit Purtasan ni Adan?
Because hindi pa tasan ni Eva.
Isa lang, 99.
199. Strawberry. Ayan, this is the reason why it's called Purtasan ni
Adan. Dahil hindi ito kay Eva.
Papaya.
Papaya
Or melon. 69. May mga cakes din sila dito. The wines. Oh my god, Chandon. I thought it was Chardonnay. Yan, may mga wines din sila dito. Ice cream. The treats. They actually have mango graham din. May mga drinks din sila dito, guys. Granola bars. Meron din silang banana chips. This is coffee. What are you ordering?
Mango siya as usual.
Mango
Pedro, dapat iba yung order mo.
watermelon. Ano meron pa ba?
Kasi ikaw yung
Unique.
strawberry watermelon with sparkling water.
Ano yun sa inyo?
Ito sa akin.
Mango shake din kasi
Kita na lang ako strawberry watermelon.
Sparkling water, Drew.
Sparkling water ba nga?
99. So, expect the
unexpected. Feeling ko drink.
Ice mixed berry. Ito na lang.
Mixed berry sa'yo.
You.
Vanilla mango.
Packed meals, snacks, salads, smoothies,
Pwede mauna lang mali.
Ate Grace,
Cheesecake.
available din yung avocado shake.
healthy refreshments. Ayan. Ito yung menu nila. They actually have ripe mangoes here, guys. 125 per kilo. These are the mangoes. Meron silang Hami melon, 550 per piece. And meron silang Fuji apple dito, guys. 300 pesos per kilo. And these are bigger ones. So I'm not really sure how much this is. I think 25 pesos per piece. Of course, banana. Pomelo. And they actually have treats here. May mga bread. And some crackers. Butter toast. Cup noodles. We have beer. Sodas. Pascual Greek style yogurt milk drink. They actually have the plain one and also the mango flavored. A kombucha. Never tried this. I'm not really sure what it tastes like. And my ginger brew. water, and some frozen fruits. We actually have nuts. This is the whole store here sa Prutasan ni Adan, waiting for the order. So yung order namin guys is the vanilla mango shake, dalawa, 250 pesos. But per piece it's 129. At yung order ko is the watermelon shake for 129 pesos. So this is per piece. Total is 387. Wow. Currently waiting for them. Nag-order pata sila ng pizza on the other side. And I'll give you an update later. So see you in a bit, guys. Ngayon sa Tony's Pizza dito po sa may... Saan ba tayo?
Judy,
Saan tayo, Jude? Malapit na kami sa may Prutasan ni Adan. And I'm not really sure what's the name of the street here, but we're here. Do we know where we are? Ano ba tong street dito?
somewhere.
What did you order?
It's a pepperoni pizza.
Sa'yo, ano yung order mo?
Nuts.
Italian sausage
Sausage
and
and
pepper with
peppers.
yogurt, ranch.
Yogurt ranch. Yeah, this white stuff.
So this is only for how much?
That's 170 each.
Per slice.
Pagtabas mo ka mo, mamaya ka ng video-video.
Bakit?
Hindi kasi ibabalik natin sa kabila.
Okay, so
Kasi dun yun nakalagay.
Tabasco sauce, garlic, cheese,
Magic sauce.
parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese yan, no? Cheese? Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
Ayan. Ano yung drinks natin tao? For dessert.
Sponsored by. Sana next time, sponsored by. Prutasan ni Adan, sa harap lang po yan.
What flavor is that?
What do you call this soup? Vanilla mango shake.
Oh wow, may vanilla
Yung
pa.
naalala ko.
And this is...
Same kami ni Jude.
Yeah. Yan yung order nila. The mango flavor. And
Ano
yung
sa'yo?
order ko is
That's watermelon.
strawberry. Correct ba?
Oh, watermelon strawberry shake. Yan yung strawberry.
Yung seed lang pa. Yung buto lang.
Hindi siya shake bro. Shall we shake it?
Si Judith ang po-fork. Oh my God, bakit ka nagpo-fork? Kamayan mo na yan. Just because feeling social era. Feeling alta? Feeling alta girl.
Yes. Yes,
Kamusta naman? Sarap?
ano yung order ko dito?
Ito, hindi ko alam.
That's the special they have. It's for garlic, spinach, and mushroom pizza. Okay lang siya guys. Very Italian.
Oh my God. Who's gonna slice it first?
Ang mga bunso, dapat pinagsisibilihan yung mga matatanda. Matanda na ako, for sure. Nauna pa ako.
Ah, si Judith, oh.
Gusto mo pala ng ganun kalakit din?
Kasi yung mga ibang lugar, nagkakamay naman.
Ang mga plastic kami ko na lang.
Mary Ma. Oh, Drew, may additional flavor ng kamay. I will give you some, Drew.
Ito binigay.
Masarap na yung binigay niya.
Tatry na natin yung spinach, mushroom.
Ni.
Hindi mo naman yung plato niya. So messy.
Okay lang siya, guys. But do not put anything that's I don't like Tabasco sauce. Nag-aero ng Tabasco. Hindi mo siya nasa parang vinegar man yung baso.
Guys, walang naguto sa kanya na maglagay ng tabasco talaga.
Voluntary.
Voluntary kasi niya yun. Binabash niya.
Busog na ba? Ayan, kumakain na sila. So what do you think of the pizza? 4. Ikaw? 4? Okay. So 4 yung i-rate nila dito sa pizza na in-order nila. Thank you so much. This is the whole restaurant. They actually have a couple of choices here, guys. Meron sila iba't ibang flavor na pizza. They have Italian sausage and pepper, 170 pesos per slice. Special pizza, 170 pesos per slice din. And pepperoni, OG cheese, mushroom, and I'm not really sure what it's called. So I think it's a bread. Parang bread siya. Bread po. What kind?
Nuts.
Guess no.
Garlic bread. Garlic nuts. Tama ako, garlic nuts.
20 pesos na. 20 pesos per slice? Per piece? Yan na. Natin. Kain muna kami, guys. I'll see you in a bit.
Urban
Let's
Cafe.
eat. Kain muna tayo.
Ang ganda ng kumot. Ang ganda ng... Ano yun?
Pero magaling. 14 spoon.
Hindi ka na ng ketchup. Ketchup.
Movie lang ta.
Much later.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa condo ni Samantha. These are the cats. Nandito pa rin si Cotton. Ay, nag-video pala si Judith.
Si Nara.
Nala. Hi Nala. Mochi. So, ito yung tatlong resident. Permanent resident dito sa condo ni Zem. Buntis to. Buntis pala to si Nala. How many months na?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? Wow. Ito yung tatay. Ito po yung view namin dito, guys.
Madami din.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-movie marathon at kumain the whole day. So, we're finally getting ready to go home.
I'm not ready.
We're not ready. Anong oras na, Tel?
It's going 9 p.m.
Kamusta naman dyan, Zem? Okay na. Busog na?
Yes.
Busog.
Still.
Ready na matulog.
Yes. Sleepy vibes.
Nakatulog siya ng mga ilang minutes.
30 minutes out. We're already ready to go home. Thank you so much, Zem, for
Thank
inviting
you.
us.
Good night again.
See you.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye-bye,
Have a good
everyone.
night. See you on the next vlog.
Pumasok ka dun sa content nila.
Bye.